I am Gutierrez Francis Jordan L. Gutierrez. Um, WRP 0207, Section 92, under Miss Katubo. And this is for independent learning study, week 13. So here are the questions. First, what were your expectations before your first fitness class? So, hindi kasi ako nakaka-attend ng WRP face-to-face since OJT student ako. Nandun ako sa SWAN. Pero dati nakapag-try ako ng fitness class. So in-expect ko lang dati, parang nakakapagod siya. Pero yung pagod naman niya, parang rewarding. Ayan. Number 2, describe your favorite aspect of typical dance fitness. Favorite aspect of a typical dance fitness. Siguro yung the music and the group energy are my favorite aspects. Number 3, how important is the instructor's style and personality to your engagement? Siguro very important kasi pagka mas motivating yung instructor, mas engaged ako dun sa activity. Number 4, do you prefer learning complex choreography or simpler repetitive movements? Siguro yung simpler pero repetitive movements. Kasi mas madali siyang aralin and mas madaling aralin yung flow talaga. Number 5, how would you describe the energy level of the classes you attend? Since hindi ako naka-attend ng WRP classes, siguro i-describe ko lang yung mga fitness class na natinnan ko dati nung high school. Yung energy nun is very high energy. Kaya mas motivated ako nun dati na umattend sa class. Number 6, have you noticed any improvements in your physical fitness starting dance fitness? For example, endurance, strength, flexibility. Nung nag-start ako, yes, napansin ko na parang sobrang flexible ng katawan ko, ang daling gumalaw, and nag-improve yung endurance ko. Number 7, do you feel more confident in your dance abilities now compared to when you started? Ngayon kasi tumigil na ako, pero dati nung nag-a-attend pa rin ako ng dance fitness classes, confident ako nun sa ability ko. Number 8, what is the biggest challenge you face in dance fitness and how did you overcome it? Siguro yung dati is yung remembering the choreography. Pero na-overcame ko siya sa pag-practice sa bahay. Number 9, have you ever felt self-conscious or intimidated in a dance fitness class? How did you deal with it? Siguro occasionally, pero nag-focus ako sa progress ko rather than comparing myself to others. Number 10, what motivates you to keep attending classes regularly? Siguro yung dati, yung music, yung fun, and yung visible na fitness improvements sa akin, yung nakakapag-motivate. Number 11, how was the dance fitness impacted your mental and emotional well-being? Dati kasi naging hobby ko siya, so nakakapag-reduce siya ng stress sa akin and nakakapag-elevate ng mood ko. And lastly, number 12, would you recommend dance fitness to others? Why or why not? So tingin ko, yes, kaya ko siyang i-recommend kasi based sa experience ko dati, nag-enjoy talaga ako and matututo kayo makipag-socialize, and may improve yung fitness mo at saka yung mood mo. Thank you.